Hello, welcome to Tea Time with Isa Alex. I'm Gunilla, and today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to demonstrate you how to do a facial oil massage. I get this question a lot, like how do you actually apply a face oil to the best benefit of the skin? So first you're going to just apply a couple of drops in the palms of your hands. You're going to spread it. Take a deep breath in. It feels so good. I like to just spread the oil throughout the face so that we get a good canvas sort of to glide the oil across. But you normally want to sort of get the lymphatic point stimulated right here behind the ears to reduce any puffiness and stagnation that builds up on your face throughout the day. And then otherwise you want to move it in upward motion on your neck. Then go your chin where we hold a lot of tension. Go around the nasal labial folds. See, there's a lot of lines right here that you want to work on to reduce. And then up on your forehead, again, you can release a little tension around here. And then I like to go around the cheeks, do a little butterfly massage here. So all of these movements create stimulation and oxygen flow to your skin tissues, which is what brings radiance, healthy glow. It regenerates the skin and it releases all the tension that you're experiencing throughout the day. So now around the eye area, as you can see, you want to go around here in a delicate but firm manner and do a gentle massage. This keeps the eyes very bright and hydrated. But you never want to pull this direction. So if you're pulling here, that's a no-no, because that actually will pull all the delicate skin and create more wrinkles and stretch the skin. So we don't want that. Now, after you've done this a couple of times, maybe 3 times, you are ready to jump into bed and enjoy a nice, relaxing evening and hopefully restful sleep so that you wake up in the morning with a bright, beautiful complexion. If you want to learn how to do it a little bit more detailed, you can go on my website at isaalex.com and hit the YouTube channel. And every Tuesday, I'm posting little videos with skincare tips that people are asking me throughout the week at my private practice. So I hope to see you. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to answer it.